Scotland is globally important for seabirds. With more than 5 million breeding here each year, they create an awe-inspiring wildlife spectacle. These bustling colonies are Scotland's Great Barrier Reef, our Amazon rainforest, our Serengeti. But Scotland's seabirds are in trouble, serious trouble. The pressures caused by overfishing and invasive species are now compounded by climate change, disease, and the looming threat of offshore wind developments in damaging locations. Without our help, we will lose them. Our seas, our coasts will fall silent. We won't let that happen. Our mission is to act to protect seabirds and restore Scotland's seas through conservation, learning, and unforgettable wildlife experiences. Over the next 5 years, we will work collaboratively in our community and across Scotland to deliver this goal. Our centre will be a hub for Scottish seabird research and conservation. We will be an influential voice for seabirds, helping deliver the changes our natural world so urgently needs. We will provide children and young people with opportunities to learn about seabirds, nurturing a sense of pride in this iconic Scottish wildlife. Connecting people to nature is at the heart of what we offer at our visitor centre in East Lothian, where we act as a gateway to Scotland's seas for over 170,000 visitors a year. Over the next 5 years, we will invest in growing those experiences, inspiring more people to act on behalf of seabirds. Our vision is a Scotland whose wildlife is celebrated and protected by all. A Scotland whose seas and coasts are alive with the calls of seabirds. Together, we can heed their cries. We can save seabirds, restore nature, inspire change.